Okay, so the one last use case I want to jam in here because my boss just came to me and said, hey, can you get this one last feature in, like always happens, is searching on those customers and filtering the list based on your search. To do that, I'm going to drop into the customer list view XAML, and I'm going to take this grid that we had at the top with just our add customer button, and I'm going to add a little bit more to it. Specifically, I'm adding a stack panel. Inside that stack panel, we have a search label, a text box to input your search term, and an X button to clear out the search. Crude, but gets the functionality in place. So that means our view model needs to support two new things. One is a property called search input that we want to be set every time a keystroke happens. So we use the update source trigger property on a binding and set that to property changed. Then we also need a clear search command to clear out the current search term. Pretty straightforward. Let's go add that to our view model. So we'll drop into our view model right about here and define that search input property. So when that property gets set, we need to trigger filtering of the customers that are being presented. That means we're going to need another customer collection. We're going to have one that contains all customers, and then we're going to have our exposed one that's data bound to that contains just the customers that are to be presented at the current time. And once we have that, and the filter customers gets called, we're going to check and see if there's anything as a search term. And if there is, we'll apply a where clause that checks to see if the full name property of the customer contains our search term. And we'll use the results of that link query to populate our customer's property with the filtered list, triggering a property change, and therefore the screen will update. So now we just need this all customers collection, and we need to populate that when we load our customers. So I'll declare that list of all customers that comes out of our repo. We can await and hold on to that, and then we can do our initial population of the customer's property with all customers. Then we just need to support the clear command, standard 3 steps for command handling, expose a property for the command, construct the command and point it to its handling method, and define that handling method. In this case, nulling out the search input. Now we've got that last second requirement implemented, we can fire it up, go to our customers view, put in a search term, and we see the list is tailoring. And we can clear our search term, and we go back to the full list. Now you can do your code complete victory dance, high five your boss, and go have a cool beverage. Your requirements are done. Let's ship it.